Witness the magical journey of gardening with Farms Tool number 1 bestseller magical self-watering planter. This new ceramic indoor planter makes it impossible to overwater your houseplants. You will not need to deal with soil either when using this planter, which is made of terracotta. This Farms Tool ceramic indoor planter is kind of like an inside-out container, wherein instead of putting plants inside it, this pot has a network of tiny grooves on its outside surface where you place the seeds. This self-watering planter is made up of material which is porous enough to let some water seep through without flooding the seeds, and there is just the right amount of moisture available at all times. Soon the seeds would sprout and start forming roots across the planter's surface. The design makes it impossible to overwater whatever you're growing on this planter. The roots would just absorb what they require to. When the planter is in use, its root bind the lattice-like outer surface which imprints the deep entanglements with the geometric design. The vegetation shows its mosaic design when it's removed. The self-watering planter does not require dirt or soil. It can keep watering plants itself for up to 15 days without your help. This soil-free growing planter has 4 methods of planting. First, rubbing the seeds on the surface of the planter. Second, germinating the seeds in the grooves. Third, wrapping around a previously blooming shoot or vine around the planter. Or fourth, propagating a rooted plant by attaching it to the side of the planter. You can follow the following steps to plant seeds on the vessel. Step 1. Add your seeds to water and let it sit for 5 minutes until the seeds produce a gel around each seed. Step 2. Pour a teaspoon of gel covered seeds into the self-watering planter surface. Step 3. Gently rub the seeds into the cell with your fingers. Step 4. Cover the entire surface, fill the self-watering planter with water, and watch the magic happen. The best part about this planter is that it's completely reusable as it's made from natural material. It requires no soil, no dirt, just water. With this planter, your plant's roots are assured a constant supply of water which helps the plants to grow. Don't let anything stop you from getting your hands on it. Purchasing link is in the bio.